Chapter 22, Developing Concepts of Exponents, Integers, and Real Numbers. Students need to explore exponents with whole numbers before they use exponents with variables. By looking at the whole number exponent, they are able to notice patterns in solving problems and are able to generate the rules of exponents themselves. A whole number exponent is simply shorthanded for repeating multiplication. For example, 3 to the fourth, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. An example of an expression would be 2 plus 5 to the third, which means 2 plus parentheses 5 times 5 times 5. Or if you have parentheses, 2 plus 5 to the third power means 2 plus 5 times 2 plus 5 times 2 plus 5, which is 7 times 7 times 7. Mina knows that square animal pens are the most economical for the area they provide. Can you provide a table for Mina? As the table shows on the right, are the possible areas of square pens with different lengths of 4 to 10 meters. Painted cube problems prepared on a painted cube activity is illustrated below on figure below is an excellent way to explore squares and cubes. The painted cube is made up of centimeter block cubes. Each face of the cube is painted. As the painted cube grows, so does the size of each square face, as well as the number of cubes hidden inside the large painted cube. In a 2 by 2 by 2 painted cube, the faces are 2 by 2, 3 by 3 by 3. Painted cube faces are 3 by 3. Order of operations. In the expression 5 times 4 squared minus 6 is 4 to the second is computed first. If multiplication is computed first, then the answer will be different. When we want to communicate the order of operations to be computed in different order, we have to group using symbols such as parentheses. 12 minus 2 times 4 plus 8 times 3 minus 12 plus 8 is an expression. How did you solve it? 12 minus 8 plus 24 minus 12 plus 8, you multiply first, and then you do what most people do, would find the opposite. So I have 12 and negative 12. Negative 8 and 8, they are gone. And you get 24, which breaks the rule of order of operations. And the second one, 12 times 15 divided by 3, you might have thought of 12 times 15 divided by 6 and then divided first in order to have a simple computation of 2 times 15 to get 30. Most people would say P for parentheses, E for exponents, MD for multiply and divide first left to right, add subtract left to right. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P for parentheses, E for exponent, my dear multiply divide, Aunt Sally add subtract. Activity 22.2 on 608 would be a great one to work with for order of operations, guessing my number. Integer exponents. To understand 2 to the negative fourth, you help students learn patterns of 10 changes directly to the place value and help students see regularities in the base 10. 10 to the fourth, 4 zeros. 10 to the third, 3 zeros. 10 to the second, 2 zeros. 10 to the first, 1 0. 10 to the 0, no zeros, so it'll be just 1. 10 to the negative 1, which equals 1/10. That's 1 fraction bar 10. 10 to the negative second, 1/100th, 1 fraction bar 100, or 1 fraction bar 10 to the second. 10 to the third means 1,000th, 1 fraction bar 1,000, or 1 fraction bar 10 to the third.